Checklist Forklift in Excel is one of the essential tools in warehouses, and in every company that needs to move and store goods in large volumes and with great weight. However, without a greater care, this equipment can bring great risks. The checklist is a list with the main items related to a certain activity or function fulfillment, which consists of the identification and verification of the conditions of equipment, machines, tools, workplaces, among others. There is no standard model of checklist for forklift trucks. Normally, each company establishes its own model according to the technical knowledge of the preparer, the characteristics of the forklift truck, and the occupational health and safety policy, among others. And the forklift truck checklist worksheet is the indispensable tool for this diverse type. It follows all the steps completely, and is totally automated, collaborating with the useful life of the equipment itself, and ensuring that damage to surrounding workers is avoided. This was our checklist forklift in Excel. If you are interested in purchasing, the link is in the description. Leave your like and follow our channel.